at the beach. This is day number 3 or 4, and with me I have my daughter. Say hi.
Hi.
And it is really, really windy. So much so that we had the 4.2 meter kite out, and I was able to do some jumps. It was kind of fun, but it's a little much. So we're going to keep this video super short. We're getting pretty excited about being able to fly, our skill level. What'd you think? Did we look okay?
Yeah, you look good.
Excellent. So I think the next step for us with these wings would be to get some type of a board that we could actually do like kite surfing down the beach. So I'm not sure what we're going to do. Maybe we'll head down to the pawn shop, see if we can't find something that's relatively inexpensive, have some fun here at the beach, and we're going to go ahead and sign off here. This is going to be a short post, so my brother and I usually do a sign off like this. We'll take our hand, we'll go ahead right towards the camera. So you want to do the honors? In 3, 2, 1.